Happy Wednesday, guys. We're going to take a quick look at your assignments. You guys have been cruising this week, doing pretty well getting your stuff in. Remember, if you get all your stuff in by Thursday, then you have Friday off. And then next week, you'll be able to participate in all the really cool things we kind of have planning. Okay, so make sure you're working hard, you're reaching out to us. We have a lot of room in the mornings to have one-on-one meetings if you need to meet with us. And then in the afternoon, we're having our small group meetings, which again, you can ask questions there too. So if we take a look at Wednesday, again, reading 25 minutes for your 40 book challenge, which is due on Friday. So it's coming up. All groups except refugee, you are going to go on vocabulary, but I gave you a different assignment, so you'll have to go into your assignments and it's compare and contrast. But all you're going to be doing is the video, vocab cards, and vocab game for today. You'll do the rest of it tomorrow, okay? But you're going to do just what you did with author's purpose, but with compare and contrast. Refugee, you're going to finish on vocabulary your author's purpose through the quiz. And that's your grade for author's purpose is what you get on that quiz. Okay, so take your time on that. Math, you guys are going to go back into your IXL 4 and in W, a new skill with numbers. It says interpret bar graphs and multi-step problems. And you just need to get us to a 70 on those. Okay. Then writing, you have your 5 paragraphs written. So now these next couple days are you going back through and making sure that you have everything you need. Now, yesterday we did dialogue and a lot of you sent in your 5 paragraphs but didn't have dialogue in there, or you didn't have the dialogue marked correctly with the quotation marks at certain points or the periods, commas. So make sure you go back and you have dialogue in your story. And then today's focus is going to be strong verbs. So I really want you to look at the link that is in Schoology that says other words for went. Because I want you to go back through your story. And if you have the word went in there, I want you to try and make it a better word by using that chart of other words for went that I put in Schoology. Okay? It just makes your story more interesting to read instead of saying, I went here, we did this, we went there. Okay? So use other words for went. Today's dress up day is dress like Mr. Lund. I was kind of disappointed nobody dressed up like me because I wasn't sure what I'd get. So let's try and dress up like Mr. Lund. Maybe a mustache, a beard. Let's be clever and post our pictures on Seesaw tomorrow or today. Sorry. And then we just have our small groups. Make sure you hop on. We're doing some fun stuff. If you are in your small group meetings, okay, that you hop on there at 1 and 1:30. Okay? If you have any questions, reach out to us, guys. We're here for you and we want you to finish strong. All right, see you soon.